Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2017 Hyundai i30 Active. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This shape ran from the third month 2012 to the second month 2017. This vehicle is fitted with a D4FB 1.6 litre 4-cylinder diesel engine, backed by 7-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle is also fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Left-hand boot lid garnish. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. Right rear has a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. We have the right-hand power door mirror. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. Has a tidy center console lid, tidy handbrake lever, tidy automatic transmission, center console, factory aircon controls, display cluster, interior mirror, interior courtesy light with sunglass holder. We have the left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, also has a tidy black vinyl steering wheel. We have the driver's power window master switch. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.